In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Microsoft Authenticator app from your account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. You guys could do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. And the first thing you want to do is you want to look up Microsoft Login. Then go to the first page right over here and go ahead and press on sign in just like so. From here, please sign in to your Microsoft account like you normally would. And just to clarify, make sure to sign into the Microsoft account that you want to remove from the Authenticator app. So anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go to the left menu and select on security just like so. Now you may need to go ahead and sign in. All right, once you went ahead and signed in, you will now get something that looks like this. Now go ahead and press on manage how I sign in right over here. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see this option that says two-step verification. All right, then it's going to give you a list of all of the different ways that you're able to go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll until you see Microsoft Authenticator. Then you guys will actually have the option to go ahead and remove it right over here. So yeah, if you have Microsoft Authenticator set up on your account, it is going to appear on this list. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on remove. And then Authenticator is now going to be disconnected from your account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.